This is for Year 12 Specialist. It comes out of TSSM 2016 Exam 1 question number 2. I know that AO is A and OB is B and OC is minus 3A and O to D is 4B. Therefore I know that B to D is 3B. Now the question is asking me to find out what OP is in terms of A plus B. Therefore find what M and N is when that's okay. So I will need to write OP in two different routes. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to go from O to P going via C, and then also O to P going via D, and then equating bits together. So number one will be OP equals OC plus CP. And going the other way, I've got OP is equal to OD plus DP. So OP equals minus 3A plus some proportion of CB, which will give me CP. And I know that OP equals 4B plus some proportion of DA, that will give me DP. Okay, I know that CB is equal to 3A plus B. CP will be some proportion of CB. It's going to be bigger, but it'll be some proportion. So let's call that H. It's going to be H times 3A plus B, which is going to be 3HA plus HB. Let's say that DA is minus 4B plus A, because that's going from D to O and then O to A. And that DP is also some proportion. Let's call it G, proportion of DA. Now I know that G is less than 1 because D to P is less than D to A, and I know that H is bigger than 1 because C to P is bigger than C to B. So that's going to be G times this, minus 4GB plus GA. Okay, if I come over here, I'm looking for CP. I know CP is equal to this. So plus 3HA plus HB, which is 3H minus 3A plus HB. And this OP is equal to 4B plus, what am I looking for? D to P, which is minus 4GB plus GA. So I've got equal to 4 minus 4GB plus GA. Equating coefficients, G equals 3H minus 3, and equating the B's, H equals 4 minus 4G. So if I put this into there, H is going to equal 4 minus 4 times 3H minus 3. H is going to equal 4 minus 12H plus 12. 13H equals 16. H equals 16 on 13. Correct? Which means if 16 on 13 equals 4 minus 4G, 13. Now, if I know that from here OP equals 4 minus 4GB plus GA, I know that 4 minus 4G is 1613 and G is 9/13. Therefore M equals 9 on 13 and N equals 16 on 13.